So this is the second exercise we're going to do for early stage back pain. So it is a hip to wall stretch. This is going to stretch out the quadratus lumborum on this side, and some people feel it down the thigh if you do get sciatic pain, or if you do have a tight TFL or an ITB. So up against the wall, you're going to go feet together, okay? Elbow on the wall just for a bit of support, and the goal is to bring your hip to the wall, just like that. And again, holding for about 3 seconds, you're going to do 12 reps. Again, with every exercise, a little bit of discomfort, but you shouldn't really be feeling any pain. So as I do this exercise, I feel a deep stretch in the side here, going up, and I also feel a little bit of a stretch going down my leg on the other side, on this side. So 12 reps over here, and then 12 reps on that side. After about 6 or 7 reps, you'll find that the feeling is not really there anymore, so you shuffle out a little bit and proceed to do the same thing. As long as you're not in pain and you're feeling a little bit of a stretch. So if you're not really feeling a stretch during this exercise, you're not really doing anything, you do want to feel a little bit of discomfort as you do this. And then same thing, switching around, feet together, bit of a stretch. You should feel a stretch along here, all the way down the thigh. Awesome. Give that a go.